Today we will be making a raised garden bed out of some old deck planks. Here's a list of the items you will need. Since this is previously used wood, we are removing all of the nails that were left behind. We found the best pieces we had and decided to make an 8-foot by 6-foot 5-inch bed. I definitely would have gone bigger if I had the wood. We even had some help from our 4- and 6-year-old daughters, but soon you will see they got bored and left us all alone. My husband started out by cutting 4 8-foot boards and 4 6-foot by 5-inch boards. I didn't want it too low or too high, so we decided to have it go 2 boards up on each side. Next, we used some extra 4x4 posts we had from our fence and cut them between 11 and 12 inches. If I had longer posts, I probably would have made them a little bit longer. Once it was all cut, we started nailing our sides to the posts. I decided to give it a try, but I started to struggle a little bit, so my husband had to step in and finish. We took all of the wood to our new garden location and started putting it together. After laying it out, we nailed the bottom boards together, then repeated the process with the top boards. Last minute, we decided to make a ledge for us to sit on. So back to the miter saw we went. We cut 4 more boards with a 45-degree angle on each side. Next, we had to nail them all to the top. What you don't see in this video is us adding 4 additional posts since we decided to add the top. So there should be 4 on each corner and 4 in the middle. Just doing the finishing touches of nailing and making sure it's good. Now it is complete. Now here comes the fun part. Removing all the grass and weeds, then adding soil. And now it's time to plant your plants and watch them grow. Enjoy.